everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. It is going to be of a few things. The first thing is this, which is this month's Curiology Coven Coven Club, sorry. I can't remember what the theme is. I never can remember what the theme is, but if you want to check it out, there's a link in the down bar and a little discount code thing. I do buy these myself, in case you were ever wondering. Not sponsored, sadly. But yes, let's have a look at this month's box. So we have these. There is an exclusive extra, apparently. Oh, there's a patch. There's a free patch. So if you don't know what Curiology Coven Club is, pretty much every month, well, not pretty much every month, literally every month, you get a necklace and a pin badge. And occasionally they do throw in like a couple of extra items. This month is one of the ones where they have an extra item. Ooh, I am feeling this. This is life. I love that. So yeah, there is a Curiology Coven Club iron-on patch. That's really nice. I like that a lot. That's definitely going on my bag. I like it when they just throw in extra items. It's just like a nice little added surprise. So this month's thing looks like this. Let's have a look. Ooh. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, so this is our pin badge for this month. It's gorgeous. This might be one of my favourites, like one of my favourite boxes. I've been subscribing for absolutely ages now. But let's look at that. It's like acrylic, but it's see-through and the design is printed onto it. I love that. Love that so much. And this is the necklace. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. I love the necklaces when they are like this, when they have... this has come out. Maybe it hasn't, I don't know. But anyway, this is the necklace. And it's got the potion thing in there. And it's on this red triple, yeah. So the little mesh one had come out, but I can easily sort that out by just pinching the thing. And yeah, I have one of these and it's a bat and it's literally like one of my favourite necklaces. I don't wear it as much as I should now that I come to think about it, but yeah, look at that. I like absolutely adore that. Yes, I am a fan. I am a fan of this. Fan. Okay, moving on. I have this little black bag of mystery. This is from Occult box. They do like a £5 jewellery thing, I think. And yeah, I wanted to check it out, so I bought one. And we will see what the deal is. So, oh my. Put that down there. So, we have this. There's a 10% discount code if you spend £20 or more. I really want this spirit board lamp. That is definitely on my wants list. And this one is, say, 15% on orders over £20. So yeah, you get extra money off the more pamphlets you get. So here is, that is so pretty. Look at this. This is gorgeous. So it is a little, there's the website if you want to have a look. So in here we have got, I'm already in love with this. This is insane. Oh, I've dropped something. I don't know what I've dropped. So this is a air freshener, cherry scented. I love cherry scented stuff. And it is a talking board. I can't really smell it through the bag. Okay, what else have we got in here? We have got a black lipstick, which, you know, we can never go wrong with black lipstick. I'm throwing stuff everywhere. The brand of this is La Femme lipstick, and the shade is Ebony. Let me open it up so I can give you a quick swatchy swatch. That's actually a really nice black lipstick. At the moment I've got a Rimmel London black lip gloss on and I don't like it whatsoever. That is a very nice black. I like that a lot. And then we have a little bag full of jewellery. I can see something in here that I've actually wanted for a little while. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. So it's one of these kind of, if you grew up in the 90s, you know these things. But it has got a little bat on it. And I am obsessed with bats. Like, bats are just incredible. Like, I am literally getting a bat tattoo next Friday. Next Friday. So yeah, I love that. Genuinely love that. There's more goodies in here. What is this? Oh my god. Look at this. Oh, and it actually fits. That is insane. Okay. Like, look at this. It is a skull ring. It's like a little skulls all the way around it. And it actually fits. Okay. This is the thing that I dropped. It is nail decals. They're pretty cool. I am definitely gonna have to use those. The only problem is the fact that this is too big for my nail. My nails are very, very small. But when they grow, or when I get some false nails, these are going on. So yeah, that's the Occult box. That was only £5. I want to show you this as well, which I got from eBay, which is a Killstar bag, which I got for super cheap. It was only £10. It's got a long strap on it. It was brand new as well. I'd say you can't really say anything bad about that. It says Killstar inside. I like the fact that it opens quite wide. Because sometimes with like these shoulder bags, they just kind of, you can't really get in them. But this, I love this. Beautiful. Okay, so finally, I have this box right here, which should, that's my scissors. This should be my G Fuel order, and I believe it is. So I got, oh, the box has been opened. That's not wrong. Yes. So I took advantage. I'm talking rubbish. I took advantage of the buy one get one free offer. I think it was called Christmas in July, and you could buy one of their tubs and get another one for free, which I'm not going to say no to. I got before one of the shaker sampler things, and I loved all of them that I tried. So like, I'm going to try different ones and hope for the best. I did a lot of looking up of like what different flavours were like, and I came down to these two. So the first one I got is the Code Vein inspired Type O energy thing. Apparently it tastes like a really, really fruity punch, so I am down for that. Always down for a nice fruit punch. And then, like, this is the one that as soon as I saw it, I was like, I need that one. It's this one, Cotton Candy. It's actually Keemstar's Cotton Candy. I'm not keen on Keemstar, but I am a fan of cotton candy, and I think that will taste either really nice or really disgusting. I'm not entirely sure, but all I know is the fact that there's 40 servings in here, and you know, if you buy an energy drink, they're like $1.50 or something, so you are definitely getting your money's worth of these. And I'm gonna go and try these very shortly. So that is my video for today. thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Do you like my Talabesca Rani jersey as well? Over here I'm Pikachu peeking out and Finn Balor. I have a varied taste, shall we say. So yeah, anyway, I'm rambling again. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you all again very, very soon. Adios.